Hello and welcome to our kitchen supplies. As you can see, our shop is chock-a-block full of all your kitchen supplies. Do you need a toaster? Well, we have one right here. Do you need a cupboard? We have some right here. Do you need, a spatula? What to do? We have one here. So, order your stuff, your kitchen stuff right now. Oh, and I forgot, when you buy something, you can get something free. Say if you order a washing machine over there, you can get a microwave completely free of charge. Wow, but only if you call or come in by what's the 26th of November on 2012. So come now before it ends on Monday to 27th of November 2012.